If you saw my live stream the other day of me crocheting this cute popsicle, someone asked during the live stream if this would make a good pattern for earrings. So today I thought I'd show you how to use embroidery thread to make this pattern, but on a smaller scale so you can turn it into earrings or charms or just a little keychain to put on your keys. So make sure you grab your 2mm crochet hook and your embroidery thread in the colors for your popsicle. Here are the colors I'm going to be using in case you want to make the same colors as mine. I noticed I had a lot of pink embroidery thread, so I'm using 3 different colors of pink embroidery thread. And then I found this little bit of tan for the popsicle stick. I'm going to begin by choosing my darkest embroidery thread color. And then you are going to make a slip knot and chain 6. In the second chain from the hook, you are going to make 2 single crochets. You're going to make 1 single crochet in the next 3. In the last chain, you are going to make 3 single crochets. Then you're going to turn your chain over to the other side and make 1 single crochet in the next 4. And then you are going to slip stitch to your first stitch. Next, you're going to chain 1, put 1 single crochet in your first stitch, then 2 in your next stitch. Then you're going to put 1 single crochet in the next 3. Then you're going to put 2 single crochets in your next stitch. One single crochet in your next stitch, 2 in your next stitch, then 1 in the next 3, and then you're going to end by putting 2 single crochets in your last stitch. Then you're going to slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1, put 1 single crochet in your first stitch, then 2 in the next stitch. Then you're going to add 1 single crochet into the next 5. Then you're going to put 2 in your next stitch, one single crochet into the stitch after that, then 2 single crochets, and then you're going to put 1 single crochet into the next 5. Then into your last stitch, 2 single crochets, slip stitch to your first stitch, and chain 1. Then for this next round, you're just going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And this is your last round in this color. You are going to be switching up to your next color here after this round. So just 1 single crochet in each of the 20 stitches you have. After that, you're going to slip stitch to your first stitch, but instead of chaining 1, you're going to chain 1 with your next color. And it is this, for me, it is this lighter pink color. And then you are just going to cut your yarn and fasten off with the other one. And then add your new color by just yarning over and chaining 1. Then you are going to put 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way around for 4 more rounds. So just 1 single crochet in each stitch, slip stitch to your first stitch at the end of the round and chain 1 to begin your next round. 4 for 4 rounds, and I will see you after you finish there. Alright, I just finished my last round in that pink color, and then I decided to go with a little bit of a lighter pink for my last color. Alright, so now you're just going to switch to your new color if you want to. I mean, you could do your popsicle one solid color. I like it with 3 different colors. You're just going to do 3 rounds of just 1 single crochet in each stitch, and I will see you after you finish up there. Now for this next round, you're going to chain 1, put 1 single crochet in that first stitch, then a single crochet 2 together, then 1 single crochet in the next 5. Then we're going to make a single crochet 2 together, 1 single crochet in your next stitch, and then a single crochet 2 together, then 1 single crochet in the next 5. Then you're going to end your round with a single crochet 2 together, and then slip stitch to your first stitch and chain 1. Now this next round, you're just going to work each stitch into the back loops only. So what you're going to do, you're going to put 1 single crochet in your first stitch, then a single crochet 2 together over the next 2 stitches, and remember, back loops only. If you are working in thread or embroidery thread with me, I commend you, because doing single crochet 2 together in the back loops with embroidery thread is not an easy task. Now you're going to put 1 single crochet in the next 3, then a single crochet 2 together, then 1 single crochet, then a single crochet 2 together, make 1 single crochet in the next 3, and then end your round on a single crochet 2 together. Now would be a great time to stuff your popsicle, since you are going to do your final round of decreasing here in just a second. For your last round, you're just going to make a single crochet decrease over every single stitch, then you're going to cut your yarn and fasten off. Last thing we need to work on for our popsicle is the popsicle stick, and I have this little bit of tan here, so you're just going to make a magic circle and make 6 single crochets into your magic circle. Pull your tail tight and slip stitch to your first stitch. And then you're going to make 3 rounds of just 1 single crocheting in each stitch. So you're going to keep your stitch count of 6. Now you're just going to sew the stick onto the bottom of your popsicle. And here is my finished popsicle. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.